Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we from the PBL Informatics 23, 2, and 15. Our project-based learning group will present the result of this semester project-based learning. With the title Determining Study Programs Based on Student Grades Using Data Mining Algorithms. With project proposer Mr. Suwono Sibagariang, SCOM MCOM, and manager project is Mr. Suwono Sibagariang, SCOM MCOM, and the member group is I'm Damar Aksa, and then Arjuanda, Muhammad Alfariza Prianto, Emma Alfarizi Malik Hanan, Devin Cristiano Barito, and Natalia Anjali Bokemaki.
The description: determining study programs based on student grade using data mining algorithm involves utilizing data mining technique to analyze patterns in student grade data and predict the most suitable program of study for each student based on their characteristics. In this application, there will be two types of users: administrators and prospective students. The application will provide a login menu where users can register for data entry and prospective students choosing their intended study programs by providing the data, which the system will use as a reference to recommend programs of study. The steps in the process of determining study program based on student grade using data mining algorithm are as follows. And 1. Data collection. Collecting student grade data from various subjects and additional information such as student interest and talents is necessary. The input data for this application consists of grades from semester 1 to semester 5.
2. Data pre-processing. This step involves pre-processing the data to address issues such as missing values or data imputation, which, if left unhandled, could hinder data analysis. It also involves checking if the data is suitable for analysis with the chosen model. 3. Data transformation. In the data transformation process, normalization using min-max normalization on the data to be analyzed is employed. This step transforms the original data scale into another form that is easier to understand, typically within a normalization range like 1.0.1, 0.9. 4. Data partitioning. After data normalization, the next step is data partitioning, which involves splitting the data into training and testing sets. Typically, 70% of the data is allocated for training and 30% for testing. This partition ensures that the model is trained on one set of data and evaluated on an independent set. 5. Algorithm implementation. The first modeling step involves using the normalized data and the split data. The split data process feed the data to find the overall error rate in general. Next, for k-nearest neighbor or KNN modeling, the KNN operator is applied. This step outlines the process from collecting student grade data to implementing a data mining algorithm, especially KNN, in this case, to recommend suitable study program based on the analyzed data.
Use case diagram. This is our use case diagram. First, register. Students must register first before they can enjoy available features. Second, login. Requirement before entering the user or admin menu by verifying username and password. 3. Input or update data. Students can input data such as grades and can make data change. 4. View program information. Users can access the main page of the website. 5. Receive recommendation. The system can determine a suitable program of study based on the grade data provided by the student. 6. Manage data. As administrators have access to manage registered student data. 7. Manage program information. Administrators have access to manage program information. Entity relationship diagram. This is our entity relationship diagram. Relationships. First, a student inputs or has many grades. Second, a student receives recommendations for one or more study programs. Third, an admin manages multiple student data. Fourth, an admin manages information for multiple study programs. Diagram activity. First, use case register. Student must register first before they can enjoy the available features. Second, use case login. Requirement before entering the menu, user or admin by checking the username and password.
Diagram activity, actually, this case input. Student can input data in the form of grade and can make change to the data. Fourth, this case, key program information studies user can access the main page website. 5. This case, besides recommendation, the system can implement the study program which is suitable based on the value data that has been provided to the student. 6. The use case manage data. The admin has access to manage the information of registered student and also manage the information of study program.
Okay, 7. Use case. Managing information about study programs. The admin has access to manage information about study program. Implementation result. This is a login page and this is implementation and this is the code. Okay, next this is a register page and this is implementation and this is the code.
This is a home page, this is a home implementation, and this is a code. This is a study program page, this is a study program implementation, and this is a code. This is a detailed data admin page, and this is a detailed data admin implementation, this is the code. This is a change the admin data page, this is a implementation, and this is a code. This is a add admin and student feature, and this is a implementation, and this is a code. This is a data study program page, and this is a implementation, and this is a code.
This prediction page, this code, and this home student page.
Project implementation story. First, project planning design, and then journal reference, and then journal reference for LPK and KNN. 4. Student grade dataset. 5. Studi program Polytechnic Negeri Batam. 6. Diagrams. 7. Decided to use LPK diagram. 8. Website. 9. Selenium testing, and then poster logo files, HKA and BLAST.
Next, I will explain about obstacle and solution. Constraint. 1. Lack of understanding of coding. We have limited knowledge in programming language need to create a website. Second, unattractive design. Difficult in design and interface that is attractive and easy to use. 3. Difficult in database integration. Complement in managing study student achievement data. 4. Log and testing, not performing a quick testing. And 5, planning an unrealistic project. Planning the start of the project in impossible, not currently accounting for the amount of time needed for each stage, including creating feedback page.
Completion. We look for what is needed in coding together. Second, use graphic design tools that can help simplify the design process. And the last, analyze the data requirement carefully to understand the required structured information. Review the design database for feedback and improvement.
Division of work. Damar Aksa, team leader who coordinates the work, creates midterm reports and separates dummy data and front end. Arjuanda, creating functional and non-functional requirements, collecting dummy value data to be tested, backend and database. And then Devin Cristiano, creating a project description looking for passing grades for course and website logo. Natalia Angeli for creating midterm reports and creating use case diagram and creating use case scenarios. Emma Farizi Malik completing midterm reports and creating activity diagrams, websites and website poster. M. Alfareza Priyanto creating project description and ER diagrams and PowerPoint. That's all our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.